everyone. Welcome back to our Python programming course. I hope all of you are doing great. Thank you so much for joining today's lecture. So, guys, in today's class, we are going to learn introduction to Python. Before we start writing any Python programs, it is very important to understand what Python actually and millions of people learning the Python. So let's get started. First of all, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered how applications like YouTube, Instagram, Netflix, or Google performs so many tasks automatically? Well, behind every application, there is a programming language, and one of the most popular programming languages used today is Python. Now, what exactly is Python? Python is a programming language that helps us communicate with a computer. Whenever we want the computer to perform a task, we write instructions in Python and the computer executes those instructions. In simple words, Python is a language that allows humans to give instructions to computer, and it is easy and understandable way. Students, remember one important definition. Python is a high level interpreted and general purpose programming language. So don't worry if these words are sounds new. Let me explain them one by one. First of all, high level language means Python easy for humans to read and write. The syntax is very simple, so beginners can understand without much difficulty. So interpreted language means Python executes the program line by line. If there is an error, Python shows the error at that particular point. And third, general purpose programming language means Python is not limited to one field. We can use in many different areas. Now you may have another question. Python is where Python was used. That's a very good question. Python is used in web development to build websites, and it is used in artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science to analyze data, and it is used in automation to reduce manual work, and it is used in cyber security, cloud computing, desktop applications, and many other technologies. That's why Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Okay, now let's move to the history of the Python. Every programming language has a creator, and Python is no exception. Python was created by Guido van Rossum, a software engineer. Okay, he started the developing Python in the late 1908, and first public version was released in 1991. Okay, in Python 1.0, published in Jan 1994. First major release included more functions, exception handling, and four basic data types, that is int, float, list, dit. And the second one 2.0 in October 2000, and the third 2.6 in 2008, and finally in 3.0 in the December 2008. Many people think Python was named after the snake, but that's not true. The name Python was inspired by British comedy television called Monty Python, which Guido van Rossum enjoyed watching. So Python has continued to improve and today is used by students, software developers, researchers, startups, and many of the world leading technology companies. So, guys, this was a basic introduction to Python and its tree. I hope you understood today's concepts clearly. If you are watching this lecture for the first time, I recommended that you watch it once again. Make short notes and it will help you remember the important points. So, in our next lecture, we will learn how to install Python on a computer and write our very first Python program. So, thank you so much for watching this lecture. Take care, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next class.